No, we don't usually do concrete, but yeah, we did some concrete. It was our first rodeo, and the truck got stuck. I guess he decided he was going to drive into the poor side instead of driving down the hard part of the side. But anyways, that's another issue to talk about another day. But I did get a time lapse of our little concrete sidewalk pour. This is actually about 150 feet of about 950 feet that we've got to put in. So you can see we had plenty of guys. But of course, when the truck gets stuck 100 yards away from where it's supposed to be pouring from, and you got to cart all the concrete, it didn't make it any easier on us, that's for sure. We did at least have one guy out here who's done and finished concrete before, but of the whole crew, that was it. It's the way it goes sometimes. Sometimes in life, you're not going to know how to do everything, and you're going to have to figure it out, and that's what we did here. So, is Gabris Landscaping going to start selling concrete jobs now? I don't know, maybe. For now, we're going to get the concrete done for our own build, and then we'll see what happens in the future.